Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss and explain what is an event viewer in Microsoft Windows. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Last night, while I'm working on my computer, I'm trying to install an IBM SPSS software. I encountered several errors. I spent a couple around more than 30 minutes in figuring out. So one of a handy utility that we can find in Microsoft Windows operating system is the event viewer. I think starting with Windows XP, in the later version of Microsoft Windows, there is already an event viewer. So currently, I'm using Windows 7 64-bit. There is already a built-in event viewer. So what is an event viewer? The event viewer is a tool in Windows that displays detailed information about significant events on your computer. Example of these are programs that don't start as expected or automatically downloaded updates. Event viewer is especially useful for troubleshooting Windows and application errors. So event viewer basically is a tool, if there are some application software or any events, there is a problem in the operating system like Windows, we can view and diagnose the problem. Okay, so I will teach you how to find the event viewer. We click the start button here and then I will type the word event viewer. Okay, so this is the event viewer. Now normally, if there are some applications that are not running properly, we go to Windows logs and then we select with application. Okay, there are several things that we can check. Application security setup in system. So in the applications, it records the problem as we are working with with the application. So here there are several already events that happening. Let's say for example this one. Okay, there is an error. By double clicking this one, okay, so it will display fail to extract third-party root list from the auto updates cabinet. So this one we can download this link with an error. A required certificate is not within the validity period when verifying against the current system clock or the timestamp in the signed file. So it will display the computer. We have here example Toshiba PC, and then the time that is being logged. Okay, let's go close. Okay, so every event in our application, it is being recorded here. Okay, so this is an application error, so it will give you the idea what is the reason why the application is not working. Okay, actually every event that we are using our computer, it records. There are 1000 events right now that is being recorded in our computer. Okay, we have also here another example. Okay, this is the error that I'm talking earlier about SPSS, no? Activation context failed, no? This file, no? So the problem is this Microsoft Visual C++, no? Library that is being required in SPSS cannot be found. Please use, no, for detailed diagnostic. So what I do is to download this particular file from the internet and install, because the application of SPSS that I install is 32-bit. When we say x86, it is a 32-bit application. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on about how to use event viewer in Windows. That is very essential in troubleshooting the problems in our computer, especially the applications that are not running properly, no? So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.